Doctor's note on the liftoff.
Funa ukwazi ukuthi ubuye nempi yini futhi dokotela
Lalela, people,
noma you come in peace.
They were in their fields about that because ngiyaxolisa abantu.
Are you good?
I'm good. How are you?
Fantastic. So Friday is World Diabetes Day.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's do a refresher course quickly before we get into amanye specifics. Ukuthi diabetes isifo sashukela
Yebo.
siyini sibangwa yini?
Okay. So, ukuze understand diabetes, yes. Asiqale understand into ekuthiwa insulin, yes. So, content ekuthiwa insulin emzimbeni, umsebenzi wayo kufana nokuthi mhlambe isaphoyisa, yes.
Okay.
Ithatha ushukela wonke uqoqe ufake phakathi kwama cells nama cells, yes. So, if kuba khona inkinga nalento ekuthiwa insulin, esuke ufaka ithatha ushukela, ufake phakathi kwama cells, ushukela ugcina untanta nje la egazini in excess. Then kuba ushukela, yes. But ushukela nakhona uhlukene. Khona type 1, khona type 2. Type 1 ushukela ojwayele ukuphatha abantu abancane, yes. That one is caused by insulin deficiency, yes. Kusuka kusho ukuthi ipancreas yakho ekuyiyona responsible ukuproduce yona insulin le iba nje ne deficiency ingakwazi ukuyiproduce all together.
So into ozalwa nayo le
Yes,
type 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Kakhulukazi nje genetic khona autoimmune factor to it as well, which means umzimba wakho nokuyi-attack lapho yes. But lapho that's why ujwayele uqala abantu young, and it's a bit dramatic futhi as well. Most of the time if uzumuntu ono type 1 diabetes uzokutshela ukuthi nje hey ngayithola sengize ICU sengikwi coma or something hectic like that, because it's just it has a bit of a dramatic onset. Isuke ungazi ukuthi yes. Type 2 diabetes yona is more of like an acquired one, yes. So it's caused by something ibizwa insulin resistance. So lapho it's like mina guys ngiyabathanda onqamnce.
Yes. Sonke uba ungamthanda ungamncane.
Sonke guys. So because umzimba wami uhlezi uthola ushukela omningi, hlezi kunoshukela omningi egazini, yes. Umzimba ugcina inombola lendaba ukuthi ayilona engathi sedlala ngathi ushukela omningi lana, yes. Asehlisa amaphoyisa ethu sidlala yena, yes. And then there's down regulation of that. It causes into ekuthiwa insulin resistance, and then lapho leyo insulin asakwazi ukusebenza kahle ukufaka ushukela phakathi kwama cells.
So sekunesiteleka ke la.
Suke sekusasiteleka umzimba wakho nokukutelekela lapho yes. So in that case kuba khona lento ekuthiwa insulin resistance ke, and ibanga ukuthi umzimba wakho kugcina usunoshukela.
So bese ngeke yini sikwazi ukuyeka like completely ushukelo umzimba uyawudinga yini?
Uyawudinga because energy iproduceka from not just ushukela, but like there's different ways to produce energy in your body, yes. One of the quickest available energy sources is carbohydrates, and sugar forms part of that, yes. So to some degree uyawudinga ushukela, but in excess becomes the problem.
Tina thanda lo osekuthe xa.
And
all right, so you've explained the difference between type 1 and type 2.
Yeah.
Khona naloku esiyaye sikuzwe when women are pregnant, gestational diabetes.
Yes.
What's that?
It's gestational diabetes. Iushukela, but it means ukuthi it was first picked up during pregnancy.
Okay.
So no one picked up before that moment ukuthi actually you're diabetic. The nice thing about it is ukuthi sometimes it can resolve straight after diabetes.
Straight after giving birth?
Yeah,
okay.
It can. So, but also it also means ukuthi it puts you at risk of getting actual type 2 diabetes chronically in the future. Yes. So it tells us ukuthi there's a chance ukuthi in your future you're going to be diabetic. Some people get gestational diabetes and end up with chronic diabetes straight after the pregnancy, but for some people it can go away after that.
Yes, ngaye kudokotela some 2 years ago angisazi nanokuthi ngangiphethwe yini. Wathi you are pre-diabetic. I said me. Never.
What a one.
Hlolela wena dokotela. What nonsense. You know?
Yeah.
And yangithusa leyo nto because I mean 2 years ago how old was I? I think I was 33.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. However old I was, but kwangangifanele nje ukuthi kuthiwe ngi-pre-diabetic.
Yes.
What stage of that are you in if you are considered pre-diabetic?
Pre-diabetes is like a precursor to ushukela, yes. It basically means ukuthi umzimba wakho already is starting to show signs ukuthi awusakwazi ukumanage ushukela kahle, but it's not to the level that it can be diagnosed as formal diabetes. Yes. So it's like almost sugar. 5-2, but into emnandi ngawe is isuke i-warning ukuthi lalela, if you don't do something manje uzoba noshukela, and the problem is mase unoshukela for life. You can't unsugela. It is what it is. But at the pre-diabetes stage, you can use intense lifestyle modification and you can come completely back. There are patients that we see abafikayo amagazi abakhombisa ukuthi they fall into the pre-diabetes category. Umuntu abesirious ngempilo yakhe. Abuye 3 months, 6 months, amagazi akhe 100% normal.
Ngenzeka yini ukuthi phela nani nabantu odokotela nabo bayawenza amaphutha.
Sabantu guys.
Nabantu. like how common is it for there to be like a misdiagnosis?
You know what? Let's go to stats at diabetes.
Okay.
Ukuze understand.
All
yes.
right.
So bathi njengamanje 1 in 10 South Africans has diabetes. And then they say 1 in 2 of the diabetics is undiagnosed. Which means 50% of diabetic people are actually out there and don't even know that they have diabetes.
Because asithandi. Yabona nje mina
Anthandi.
the time that my doctor said you're pre-diabetic,
Yeah.
I never went back to him. So mhlawumbe ngulo 1 in 2 vele.
Sicela ubuye nje
Hayi mina ngibafunda abantu abangixova umoya.
You know
Dokotela
what?
ngoba ngihlalele angoni umuntu mina manje wena mangabe uzofika uzongixova umoya
We
soxabana.
come in peace, guys, but there's like it's twofold. Yes. So like for someone who's active about their health, goes and does a checkup like that. Yes. You can find out ukuthi you pre-diabetic kanjalo. But then there's like a whole host of people that go to the public health system. They don't really get in front of a doctor that often. There's a shortage of doctors, a shortage of nurses. Khona abantu that will never get the test that they need just because the health system is burdened, yes. So I'm not surprised by these stats. Angiphatha kabi, but I'm not surprised ukuthi khona abantu abanoshukela and don't know about it.
Sure. All right. How do we fix this problem? I think is the next logical direction for our conversation to take with Udokotela Uzondo, who joins me in studio. Mhlambe unombuzo ke around diabetes. Have you also been diagnosed as a pre-diabetic? Are you in the throes of diabetes? Mhlambe uyakhula ushukela wakho in terms of management and you need some assistance.
Doctor's Note on the Liftoff.
We are focusing on diabetes namhlanje. Sifo sashukela siyinkinga kakhulu for many South Africans, and for the most part type 2 is a preventable part of diabetes, but I don't know if we know enough about it. Noma, it's just easier for us to continue on the default ukuyimpilo esiphilayo, which is high calorie, high sugar diets, ukubhema, ukutya ngamajabula juicy, not exercising enough, etc. I think it's just kuyaye njengomqansa mangabe ufuna ulungisa zonke lezo zinto to stay on the good side of diabetes. But World Diabetes Day is coming up on Friday, and the theme for this year is diabetes and well-being, with a specific focus on diabetes and the workplace. And this is why Dr. Amanda Zondo uthe nami nje uthi ngifike to your workplace to speak to you about diabetes. Doc, I think the last time you mentioned ukuthi ama lifestyle habits are a huge problem with many of the health issues that we experience, right? And I'm guessing kuyafana na for diabetes. Lezi zinto ebengiyibala ukuthi diet yethu ayikho right, siyas exercise, siyanqena, siyavilapha, izinto zinoshukela siyathanda, izinto ezine% siyathanda. So is that still really, is it part of the problem?
It is part of the problem. So maybe let's talk about our risk factors at diabetes so everyone gets a better idea, yes. So don't come for me, guys, but obesity and being overweight puts you at risk of diabetes. Older age, especially for type 2 diabetes, it puts you at risk. Having a family history, meaning khona umuntu kini onoshukela. Mase njalo asisho ukuthi like ihlobo lezi ezi that side, we mean direct relatives, so like umawakho, babakho, gogo kanjalo, like your direct ones, yes. If you have a family history of ushukela kini, it means ukuthi now there's a chance ukuthi uzothola ushukela, yes. Having high blood pressure puts you at risk. Having high cholesterol puts you at risk. And then also gestational diabetes, just like we spoke about, puts you at risk. Then there are certain habits that can also increase risk yakho, yes. sedentary lifestyle, which is ukuhlala. So you know how they say manje ukuthi sitting is the new smoking because abantu
Basho njalo?
nakele.
Mina ngizosheshe ngifeke mina.
But as long as uphumile lana uthi 1 2 umjimonyana. Yabo uzobongconywana yes.
Mhlambe ngizosindela ukuthi phela window shopper ngiyakuthanda so ukuhamba ama-mall.
And the mall is big. Yabo ama steps.
Exercise no uyawushawa 10,000 steps.
I see you girl, I see you. Also diet yes, high fat, high carb, high sugar, high processed foods. Yes. So those things all do play a factor just like you're saying.
Imaphi mhlambe ama warning signs esiwazibayo cause into engithandayo ngomzimba is that before u give up uyakutshela uyawashaya ama hazard. So imaphi ama hazard esiwazibayo when it comes to diabetes?
Guys ngiyalithanda lama hazard. So some of the symptoms that people can experience at carriers, excessive thirst, so ukuncanywa kakhulu for months. Yes.
Oh mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi kusho umzimba ufuna lokho kunye.
Sugar nje dingamanzi because you get a bit dehydrated. But yeah, ushukela mawuphezulu, most of the time people get very thirsty. And because of the excessive thirst, they also get excessive urination. Because nomzimba uyawuchama wonke lo shukela extra, yes.
So you must drink water when you are thirsty.
You must please drink water when you are thirsty, people.
Got you, okay.
Excessive hunger as well is another symptom, yes. Recurrent infections. Khona abantu nje baba umuntu athole nje uhleze egula Nkosi yami njalo because it attacks your immune system yakho weakenish in that regard so uthola uhleze ugula for abantu besifazane recurrent vaginal infections specifically candida or yeast infection because yawuthanda ushukela it grows in that kind of medium yes
okay.
So you also get those kinds of symptoms and then prolonged wound healing so ube nesilonda nje singapholi shukela check yes visual changes
mina kade ngazalwa ngu4 eyes mina hayi ngazalwa mina ngazalwa ngebuko mina
and then just excessive fatigue uzithola ukhathela ungazi ukuthi yindaba just get your sugar checked uzothola ukuthi mhlawumbe there's a problem there
hey uyangithusa ke manje dokotela ngoba kuningi loku okubalile engishaya mental check ukuthi tick it applies to me tick it applies to me so if somebody else has also identified ukuthi hayi man hayi lama symptoms udokotela akhuluma ngawo they also apply to me what's the next step what do we do what sifika kuwe dokotela sithini mangabe sithi sicela ucheck ushukela ngoba asisekho sure ke manje
so you basically asked to be screened for sugar yes
ungonakele lutho I can just walk into
or you can come in and say like I've had a patient come to me once ethi I don't feel well I just feel very thirsty ngicela ungicheck ushukela sathola ukuthi ushukela ushole phezulu wagcina sesibhedlela yazo so you just come you explain your symptoms to udokotela and even if you have no symptoms yasho ukuthi ngicela ukucheckela ushukela masicheckela ushukela we can do something called random glucose where bakuchofa la emnweni ba-check nje on one of those small machines if your sugar is over a certain value they're probably going to want to take further blood tests egazini yes nasegazini ahlukile ama blood tests esiwenzayo khona checka into ekuthiwa fasting glucose which is ushukela wakho ungadlanga so mhlawumbe udokotela will say hey from isikhathi esiwukuthi the previous night bese ngakusasa ekseni wazothatha amagazi lapho check your reference range ukuthi ayikho over a certain number we can check your random glucose so like manje nje if we decide to take your bloods nakhona it must fall within a certain range there's also something called the HbA1c HbA1c is your sugar control over 6 months. So when I had a lot of sugar over the weekend, so that's why my sugar is high. 6 months. It's telling me how your sugar control over 6 months has been. So leyo ukwazi ukuphikisana nayo. If iphezulu and it's also the one esitshelayo ukuthi is there pre-diabetes yin because if it falls within a certain range as well that's suggestive of a pre-diabetes yes and then for abantu abakhulelwe they usually do something called glucose tolerance test which is where they'll take ushukela fasting then after that bakuphosa akaqhakaza shukela omningi and then they take blood at certain intervals to see ukuthi ushukela wakho unyuka appropriately noma kakhulu yes so basically you can just go to dokotela wakho uthi ngicela ngicheckele ushukela and then we'll take it from there.
Wathi ngibe honest ukuthi indaba ngingabuyelanga kudokotela after ethi ngi pre-diabetic yeso.
Yes.
It's because wabe esenginika amaphilisi
Okay.
to say maybe let's start with this and see ukuthi mhlambe after a month of you being on treatment uresponda kanjani. And I was like, no man, I don't like the first intervention to be into enephilisi phakathi. I would rather try and fix whatever issues that are lifestyle related on my own. Sesingamane check at a later stage, yeah? So what kind of treatment options are there mhlambe for abantu who are either pre-diabetic or have actually been diagnosed with full-blown diabetes? Is it always iphilisi yini noma umjovo that's the answer?
So not necessarily. Umuntu one pre-diabetes yana usuku sangamenzisa i-lifestyle modification.
Wangiphuthuma lo dokotela waye wrong.
But yabona ukuthi fanele umgauge nomuntu odila naye i-patient yezo. Khona amanye ama-patient olibona ukuthi lo they're not going to exercise.
Okay.
They're not going to do anything at all. I mean, there are medicines available that can help to try and stop umuntu from becoming actually diabetic in that pre-diabetic stage. And usually, kona iterm which I look certain is so-called insulin resistance, like I said. And that's when they put abantu on medication to prevent you from becoming actually diabetic. Yes. But lifestyle modification, guys, is important. Even for umuntu that has been diagnosed with ushukela, if we don't get your diet right, uzoba noshukela ungacontroleki. Uhlezi uphezulu uthi nje wena sebezalime yonke imithi kimi kodwa ushukela wama wehli lapho uthola ukuthi nje iphilisi lakho lehlisa ngo2 liter we coke. And you'd be surprised, people do that. People really do that, yes. But galekwa lokho i-medication ya shukela iyahluka, yes. Ama type 1 diabetics wona atreatwa nge-insulin, which is umjovo, okay? Ama type 2 diabetics wona usually kuqalwa ngama oral agents, meaning amaphilisi, yes. For them, they usually get started first on a medication called the metformin, but there have been such great developments in terms of amaphilisi available for ushukela. Manje uthola ukuthi umuntu can be on like 3 or 4 different pills before they get changed to insulin or ukuthi kube khona isidingo se-insulin. And the new medicines as well have like so many benefits. They're protective against inhliziyo, sifo senhliziyo, protective on your kidneys as well. So it's like really beneficial kanjalo. And then there are also ama-injectables angayona insulin are available. Something called semaglutide, abantu bayibiza nge-Ozempic, yabo.
Hey.
So, yabo, like all those actually.
Owashukela Ozempic.
Owashukela. Ngisathi ngifuna ukusho njalo nami ukuthi Ozempic washukela, guys. So there are injections of that nature, yes, so they can be used once weekly, very beneficial to the body for controlling ushukela, yes. So there's lots of agents available. That depend also to public no private.
Sure.
What's available in public is not necessarily what's available in the private sector. So kuyahluka just based on ukuthi your affordability as well. Uyaxoxisana nodokotela wakho and then ibona ukuthi what can I afford, and we try and control you.
Got you. When we come back, I do want us to focus a little bit on a theme which is centered around diabetes and the workplace. Why is it so important that it was a specific focus for this year in terms of World Diabetes Day?
Doctor's Note on the Liftoff.
We're about to wrap up Doctor's Note for today. We've been focusing on diabetes, sifo sashukela, and I did invite you, ukuthi mangabu nombuzo, send it through on my WhatsApp line. Here's one that I received, Doc.
Sawubona Doc, nawe Mazwani. Ngicela ukubuza ku Doc la ukuthi umuntu uma enoshukela, uma evuka ekuseni ephuza itiye umenzele aphinde futhi afune ama reboost ukuthi umthengele adluli alipheli usuke ngephuzanga noma ikane elilodwa or 2 aphinde futhi azohalela ne drink, lo muntu loyo advisor kanjani ukuthi aye ukudla izinto ezimnandi because uyayithanda izinto ezimnandi?
Yes, lo mbuzo lo ngiyawuza ukuthi it comes from a place of fear. khona ugogo noma umkhulu azama ukumqonda usethe gogo lalela ukuthi udokotela uzothini. So here's the problem. Tea in the morning, energy drinks during the day, cool drink at some point. Also, how do we manage ama cravings ke mhlambe umuntu onoshukela?
Yeah. So ushukela, guys, one thing you must understand about it is ukuthi uphinde futhi it can angifuni ukuthi addictive but ngizosho njalo. yes.
Oh, sugar. It absolutely is.
So uzothola ukuthi manje usuyawudinga ngoba kunale reward ekufanele uyitholile yes. But just like dealing with the addict guys of any sorts, just trying to reduce the thing. Iyonto ebaleke kakhulu. But also ukuthi sazi ukuthi there are different sugar alternatives are available as well. So if umuntu ophuza usugar letiyeni uyakwazi ukusubstitute ngecanderel noma xylitol or izinto enjalo yezwa. Ama drink akhona ama sugar free alternatives.
So do they make a difference or sugar free?
They do make a difference. They actually have no calories in them. Amaningi if you check them out. Kodwa now anama risk akhona yes. So some of them have very high sodium. Yes,
I've heard that ukuthi just because it's lower in sugar, it highly likely ukuthi it's higher in something else.
Yeah. So ungacabanga ukuthi nje it's healthy because ingena ushukela. Yes. But I think nje ukuzama ukuyilimita. Another thing is lo muntu it sounds like ukhathele. That person actually probably needs to see udokotela yosho ukuthi I have this excessive tiredness. What is the cause? It might not just be ushukela. And futhi remember how we said it's one of the symptoms of ushukela is ukuthi uyakhathala too much. Uzothola ukuthi ushukela wakhe awukho controlled and it's making him feel very tired. Ngiya assume ukuthi ngiyaxolisa.
They them.
So uzothola ukuthi it's that, but there are other things that cause excessive tiredness and nakho mhlambe fanele ayo check up kudokotela ukuthi khona yini okunye mhlawumbe ukucashile doc.
Also qina isibindi ntombazane. Yabo manje kufanele ube nesibindi ugogo nomtshele ukuthi no. Mesu yaphela endaweni kodwa. All right, here's another question.
Sawona sisunjethi. Ayisiyabonga. Nakuba nje udokotela lapho ave sheshisa ngimuza nje message yazwa. Futhi besithi yazwa hayi lapho ngimuza khona. But siyabonga. Anyway bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi uma ngabe owesilisa mangabe umshini ungasavuki kahle enkonzweni yakusihlwa ngabe yenye yama symptoms leyo lashukela. Ngiyabonga.
I've heard this quite a lot with abantu besilisa ukuthi diabetes does affect induku.
Yes, it does. So that's called the impotence if you're having a sexual dysfunction like that. And it's one of the complications of diabetes. Yes, poorly controlled diabetes or just from long-standing diabetes as well, it can do that. I would advise lo muntu ukuthi ahambe ebona udokotela wakhe to see ukuthi is there any intervention, anything angasizakala ngayo, or mhlawumbe avakashele men's clinic. Yes, there are still things okwazi ukusizakala ngayo. It doesn't mean ukuthi it's over for you. Because sekunjalo yes, but it's a common thing ukuthi obviously abantu besilisa abanye mhlambe bayasaba ukukhuluma ngako amongst themselves, but this is a good platform ukuthi bazi ukuthi you're not alone, nibaningi.
So is it a precursor or is it as a result of you not controlling ushukela wakho kahle?
So it's a result of having ushukela. Yes. So if ushukela uncontrolled, yes, and just long-standing sugar because it affects ama nerves akho, nama blood vessels, yes, which are both important in producing an erection.
Sure.
Yeah, ibona leyo nto.
Okay, so imaphi mhlambe amanye ama complications umuntu angawalindela? You spoke earlier about islonda esingapholi. I think a lot of us grew up with that. Khono wasekhaya olunywe something noma oqhuzukile walimala on their toe and it just siyabhibha leso silonda asipholi. What else is there?
Okay, so I'm going to try and be quick about them because maningi. Emehlweni, you can get something called a retinopathy or a glaucoma. Enhlizweni, you can get a heart attack. Your nervous system, you can get a stroke. You can get kidney disease and kidney failure. You can get something we call it diabetic neuropathy, which is when ama nerves akho agcina ngasasebenzi kahle, and this actually results in a lot of amputations because umuntu what happens is ukuthi ulimala mhlawumbe onyaweni angezwa ukuthi unesilonda. Isilonda siqale sikhule bese angithi sishilo futhi ukuthi uba nezilonda ezingapholi bese agcina sene diabetic foot sepsis emva kwaloko nangumlenze usuyanqunywa. So it's actually quite a vicious cycle. Can affect your liver, fatty liver disease, foot problems, loss of sensation, like I'm saying, ilonda zingapholi. There's also something called Charcot's foot. So unyawo nje lo muntu onoshukela liyashintsha nje amathambo, even the orientation yakhona. Baba nenkinga zonyawo nje abantu.
Indaba ushukela uthanda unyawo.
Unenkinga nje ushukela. It's also end organs because angithi uthola ukuthi njengoba ushukela wenza igazi libe thick, igazi alisafika kahle lapha ekugcineni.
Oh.
So into esekugcineni, just like ama kidneys asekugcineni. Yes. Into esekugcineni ya affecteka kalula. Yes. Also, you can get teeth, gum and mouth problems, sexual problems in men and in women, not just men. Yes. Legs get painful for some people, and then muscle and joint problems as well. Uthola you have this painful shoulder, awulimalanga, associated with the sugar.
My goodness.
Yeah.
So there is a focus this World Diabetes Day on ushukela and the workplace. Why this link? Kuhlangana kanjani?
Yeah. So, you know, one of the most important things abantu efanele bayazi ngoshukela is ukuthi as much as ushukela uyakwazi ukunyuka uyakwazi ukwehla kakhulu as well, and that's actually more dangerous because lokho kungakubulala. Yes. So into ebalekile ngokudisclose ukuthi kwazi ukuthi unoshukela is ukuthi people know how to react if ufainta out of the blue. Guys, ngaloku ekuthiwa mphakamiseni imlenze bayitshela ukuthi nje uyashiselwa kuphela kanti fanele bakucheck ushukela wehle kakhulu, they need to give you glucose. Yebona leyo nto leyo. Also, it's important to ukwaziwe because if mhlambe uphuza amaphilisi ashukela angithi umsebenzi wawo ukwehlisa ushukela, then you working long shifts awusadli uzokwehla lo ushukela lo.
So umqashi kubalekile azi ukuthi uyayidinga
ibreak. Even ama working hours akho, sometimes they need to accommodate you. Certain professions mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi umuntu usebenza with like heavy machinery dangerous, abe ne hypoglycemia aquleke phansi ngaphambi kwashini, then kuyinkinga. So it is important, as much as a lot of workplaces don't necessarily ask you about it, but kwezinye indawo, part of occupational health assessments initially, they do want to know those things because they're important ukuthi izok affect yini emsebenzini. Yeah.
All right. Sekucacepha ke ukuthi why this had to be an important focus for this World Diabetes Day. Dokotela, always a pleasure to have you. Sabonga kakhulu for isikhathi sakho. Dr. Amanda Zondo usebuyela lapha ke eBerea AA Medical Center yilapho uzomthola khona nawe mangabe umdinga. Mangabe kutshela ukuthi uprediabetic ungafani noNjebs.
Ningalwi.
Ungalwi futhi yazi na dokotela mina I-follow up yami ya 2 years ago ngizoyenza nawe. I think sozwana kangcono ke. Yes.
Yes, we love it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Amanda Zondo. If you caught this conversation, isiphakathi mhlawumbe you feel like there's a part of it that would speak directly to you, you want to find out if you covered it, please do catch up on this conversation. It's going to be available on the Gaga CFM app on the Rewind tab. That's where you'll find podcast it.
Gaga CFM.